This is not how George Washington cut down his apple tree.
No.
That was my shocked face for the clickbait.
That way, keep it kind of narrow and just go this way.
Yeah, how was that again?
You may not get unstuck.
She'll come down when the whole tree comes down. God, look at those muscles.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Nope.
Other way, this way. This way.
Let's get your saw out of there now.
Where is it?
It fell down right there.
Hell yeah. That's probably fucked up.
Jeez.
Did you wash your ass today?
Alright, back it up. We're ripping this one this way?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, here, pop the little piece real quick. See how far away I can get from it? Hopefully not too far, because I don't have a whole lot of room going this way. Here, bro. Thing, like power wise, because this is pretty well fucking raw.
Never use safety equipment of any kind. Be a man.
I can't see you. Good. You guys all in? In as you're gonna be? As good as I'm gonna get.
OSHA, we are not paid. This is all volunteer work and thus outside of the realm of OSHA.
Correct.
That is only for
Paid
labor. We are unpaid.
Record this. Time to go cruise!
Oh God.
Bring around the rosy.
Mother.
Up, up, up. Oh, what is that? Oh, what the fuck is that?
Well, that's whatever was killing our chainsaw blade.
Yo, what the fuck's it for? There's metal right here too. It's not just plastic.
Oh, Jesus
Christ.
Hey, OSHA, this is not a safe workplace. What is this? Oh, let me focus it. Oh, that's clickbait right there. Look at this. Look at the... Roll it so there's a little bit of that shiny part where it hit the blade.
On the backside, front side.
Yeah. The backside on the metal. Yeah, right there. Yeah. Look at that tree growth around whatever that was.
No. Oh, this is a fucking, oh shit. This is a,
What's that?
What is that?
Oh, I was thinking it was for like a metal, for like a wire line, like a cow line. This fucking search, it says, vine on pose. No, that's not it. Got a little something.
He's gonna hit that hose. Hey, just tapped it.
Like a glove.
Hey, there you go. Here.
Hold it. Send it.
I'm some guy, and this has been How to Ruin Two Chainsaws, aka cut down an apple tree with something in it. Like, subscribe, follow along.